This is my bike check. I got some grips, got some stock bike, and some S&Ms.
Keep it going.
Woo! Here's this bike check.
This is my Fit Wi-Fi. I got the Bluetooth forks. Pretty strong. You might go thick grips. Some people say they suck. Well, I just say screw you. They're pretty good.
Really?
I run Demolition March C.
Woo!
Sorry guys, I'm going through puberty right now. And
See?
I run 3 packs. Don't use them. They're for looks. CK 2.4.
Ooh!
Thanks to my Bluetooth forks, I can fit that.
Ooh!
I got some Edmund sync bars.
Ooh!
Got a Alienation V2 brush free coaster. Again, peg don't use. Got some shitty ass headset. Got a Fit 27 tooth driver. Fit into cranks. RC twisted PCs, black and white. Sorry you roll. Stolen half link chain.
Let me get a look at that real quick.
Fit. Alright, hold on, here you go.
Oh,
Okay.
that's nice.
I got this cup thingy
This?
and a seat post with the logo.
Oh.
This is my Fit top load stamp.
Oh.
And I run a 2.3 FAF. Tire in the back.
FAF.
It's nice.
Huh?
To a Alienation back rim, and I run a stock Fit front wheel.
Oh, apparently you're getting puberty
And
before
that
I
is
am.
my bike check.
Okay,
Later,
cool.
guys.
Thanks.